Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and welcome back to my channel guys. So video untuk kita nak main pada hari ni, kita nak main game Need More Pee. Game ini kita pasal kita nak pergi buang air kecil. Okay, sebelum aku nak start video ni, aku nak korang tekan butang like, share dan subscribe dekat bawah tu. Okay, jom kita start. Okay, time tu kita pukul berapa dia? Ui, siang terus. Awal. Today is my first day of school, but I don't wanna go. I'm a go pee and try to find an excuse. Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, tunggu kejap ya. Okay, kita sudah kembali. Okay, sorry tau. Tapi apa-apa pun aku nak pause video ni dulu boleh tak? Okay, sabar aku pause dulu video ni. Okay, kita jumpa selepas ini. Okay, jom kita sambung. Okay, jom. Kita pergi buang air. Ini bilik air kita. Okey, bilik air. Okey, jom pergi kitchen. Weh. Flush. Kita pergi dekat ayah. Okey. Ayah kita kat sini, kan? Oh, pandai saya. What is up? It's hurt when I pee. I don't believe you, son. That is the pee meter to see if I'm okay. Right. The pee meter was 0.5. This is not enough to stay home, son. You need school. Get ready. Sai. Kencing dalam botol. Botol yang mana? Ni Oh, kita. Oh my god. Kita apa? Kita good. Tell that. Okay. I really think I go pain problem. That. Well, want me to test again? Yes, do it. Okay. 1. Bawah 1. It's still very low. It's not enough to stay home. Now get ready. No, get ready. Or no point or for a week. Alright then. Pee in botol lagi. Oh, dia ada botol lagi. Okay. Dah, cakap dekat ayah. Okay. Why are you still here? I had to pee, remember. Again, just go to school already. No, please check me. I really shall stay home. Fine. Okay. 1.5. See, I can stay home now. Not in this world. Go now. What? Oh man. Turn on fan. Kenapa macam? Okay, tak apalah. Ni dah. Fan 2 kipas. Ambil botol, grab botol. Okay. Ambil 2 botol. Apa maksudnya tak faham lah. Tak apalah. Jom. Dad, don't you smell that? What are you talking about? No. Well, I can't stay home. For Birdman's sake. If the scanner say not enough again. Berapa kali lah kita kena check ni. 3.9. Go to school, lil bro. I need more pee. Saya nak kencing lagi. What? Ingat as. Cari. Okay. Tak boleh lah. Mana? Oh ni. Rosakkan jamban. What? Bush. Ni dekat ayah habis. That is too much pee. Why are you still here? Go to school now. Just test me again. You are testing my petties, little man. Okay, berapa? 28.9. Okey lah, tu dah tinggi sangat dah tu. Still not enough. Buddy, go to school now. This is war. Okay. Grab some gunpowder. Gunpowder? Oh, tu. Itu bukan. Mana gunpowder? Gunpowder? Ha? Gunpowder ke? Grab some gunpowder. Ha? Lah, kena bayar Robux. Ha. Ending unlock 5 ending. Ha? Apa ni? Ending unlock 5. Kena carikan 5 ending. Cari satu macam gunpowder. Yelah, mana? Aduh. Dah lah guys, tu saja video untuk kali ni. Okay, so kalau korang nak tengok video baru lagi aku akan buat, korang kena tekan butang like, share dan subscribe dekat bawah tu. Okay, cepat-cepat tekan butang dekat bawah tu. Okay, tu saja. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.